I'm dropping these leeks inside of here with these other leeks. And it's really going to be survival of the fittest. Whatever worked, but I wanted to go ahead and drop them in. We're just going to sprinkle them in. Just going to sprinkle them in. Just like that. These. I'm going to put it over here in this, with this spinach. I think that'll work out just fine. I'm not using this as spinach. And I just been putting them on the top. I even had an avocado. I figured it'll decompose. So these are the seeds for this. Wow. I didn't think they were going to look like that. And we just want to sprinkle. We're going to do like a little pinch, 2 pinches of those in there. And then I have some kale and I have some broccoli. And I don't necessarily want to put them inside of here. I feel like they need their own pots. So I'm going to give them their own pots. I'm going to put a broccoli in here and a kale in here. Okay, that's interesting. They look like little pebbles. They say 1/2 inch. I'm just going to sprinkle them things in the pot like that. Just a pinch of them. And put the rest back. And broccoli looks very similar. That's interesting. All right. They look like little pebbles. And just like a little pinch. This is not no seed starter mix or nothing. We using what we have, and we're gonna water that in pretty good. And all I'm gonna do is set it out here. I need to get some more water. I ended up getting some bone meal to put in this inside of there, just to sprinkle on top of where I put the seeds. Feel good about it. Just a little bone meal sprinkled on top. Sprinkled it on top like that. I sprinkled that bone meal and I'm gonna water it in. I'm gonna use the rest of this bone meal on these strawberries down here. Just sprinkle it up there on the soil. And these collards, we're just gonna sprinkle it all up there. Whatever lands, lands. I'm sure it'll be okay. Sprinkle it out so it can soak into the water. I don't want to overwater because it's gonna rain later on today. So that will be good. And these are staying outside. They're staying right out there. They need to go ahead and get acclimated. The world is tough. They don't need to come inside. I didn't even bother putting any type of soil over it. Feel like after watering them in, they'll be all right.